Yes, so this is Hortiki, and what is great about this is it's all about kits that help you grow in small spaces, typically indoors at home. You need no green thumb. Good for apartments. Good
Can
for
you
also.
eat this?
Yes, this is real food that you can actually eat.
She hasn't had breakfast yet.
Yeah, so we've got microgreens, herbs, kale, leafy greens, carrots. I mean, you can kind of grow so many different options with this. So you can grow your own food. There's options too for kids.
That tastes good.
Of course it's good. Yes, very good.
It's like a really good tasting leaf.
There's no plastic. It's your greens. That's your lunch salad. And what I also love about this company is that you get access to technical support that's going to help everything from seed to harvest. So if you need any help along the way in making sure that you wind up getting this delicious product, they're going to help you. These kits today start at $22.50 and free shipping.
I like the help. That's amazing.
It's really smart.
Spring gift.
It's so
fun to do with the kids too.
Okay.